Here's how to fix the Shopify domain needs attention error with two quick methods. First, load up your Shopify store and click Settings in the bottom left corner. Next, go to Apps and Sales channel. Sometimes newly installed apps can cause domain issues. Find the recently added app, click on the first three dots beside them, and then choose Uninstall. After uninstalling, check if click here and install and then check if domain error is gone. If not, here's a second fix. Click on domain here. Now you'll see your current domain setup. You can either buy a new domain or reconnect your existing one. To reconnect, click Connect Existing Domain. Type your domain name and then click Next and follow the prompts. And that's it. Two easy ways to fix your Shopify domain issues. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.